Welcome to video 6 of our Django tutorial series, Setting up Django Admin, Introduction and the Basic. I am Jafar and I am excited to guide you through Django built-in admin interface. Django Admin is a powerful tool that allows you to manage your application data easily, streamlining many tasks for developers and administrators. By the end of this video, you will have a strong foundation for using and configuring the Django admin interface. Let's get started. Before we dive into the details, let's go over what you will learn in this video. First, we'll explore the purpose of Django admin interface and why it's so valuable for managing application data. Next, I will show you how to enable and access the admin site in your Django project. Finally, we will learn how to register models so they can be managed through the admin interface. By the end of this lesson, you will have a functional admin site ready to help you manage your blog application. Let's move on to understanding what Django admin is all about. So, what exactly is Django admin? Django admin is a built-in web-based interface designed for managing your application data. It allows you to perform CRUD operations, create, read, update, and delete on your database models without writing additional views or templates. It also provides powerful tools for searching, filtering, and managing data efficiently. For example, you can quickly search for blog posts, filter them by status, or edit their details directly from the interface. The best part, Django admin is pre-configured right out of the box, but it also offers extensive customization options to fit your project's unique needs. Let's see how to enable and access it in your project. Enabling Django admin is a straightforward process. Here is how you can set it up. First, ensure that django.contrib.admin is included in the installed apps section of your setting.py file. By default, Django includes this configuration when you create a new project. Next, you need to create a superuser account to access the admin site. Then start your development server. Finally, navigate to the admin in your browser to access the admin site and log in using the superuser credentials. At this point, your admin site is ready to use. Now let's jump into the Visual Studio Code and walk through these steps together. Here we are in Visual Studio Code. Let's begin by opening the setting.py file. Scroll down to installed apps, which already is here. Django.contrib.admin is already included. If it is missing, you need to add it here. Next, open the terminal. My terminal is already opened, and write create superuser command. Follow the prompt to enter your username, email, and a password. For now, I'll create a superuser name admin. Simple password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Just click enter. Yes. Now once that is done, start the development server. Now let's open a browser and visit http by adding /admin. Here you will see the Django admin login page. Use the super user credential we just created to log in. And they will be taken to the admin dashboard. With that, we have successfully enabled Django admin, as you see here. Now that we have enabled Django admin, let's make our models manageable through the admin interface. To do this, you need to register your models in the admin.py file for your app. Here is an example of how to register the blog post model. Let me explain what's happening here. The admin.register decorators tell Django to register the blog posts model with the admin site. The blog post admin class is a placeholder for customizing how the model is displayed and managed in the admin interface. Once you have added this code, save the file and refresh the admin dashboard in your browser. The blog post model will appear in the admin site, ready to be managed. Let's switch to Visual Studio Code to implement this. Now in Visual Studio Code, let's open the admin.py file in the blog app directory. First, let's import the model. From .models import blog, then type the code here. First, let's create the class called blog post that inherits from the model admin. For the time being, let's create the empty class, then add the decorator here at admin register. The name of the model is blog post. Once we have done, let's save it. After saving the file, go back to the admin dashboard in your browser and refresh the page. When you refresh the page, you'll find the post model here. Click on it to view. So it is empty here. When you log in, you will see a list of registered models, including the blog posts model we just added. Clicking on the blog post model section brings you to a page where you can view, add or edit blog posts. Let's recap the key points from today's lesson. Django admin is a built-in interface that simplifies managing application data. We learned how to enable and access the admin site by creating a super user account. You saw how to register models like blog posts to make them manageable through the admin interface. Finally, we explored the admin dashboard and its default features, including pagination, sorting, and inline editing. This fundamental knowledge sets you up to take full advantage of Django admin. In the next video, we'll go a step further and customize the admin interface to better suit our project needs. Next, we'll focus on customizing the Django admin interface. This includes adding filters, search functionality, and improving the list display for our post model. These enhancements will make managing your data even more efficient and user-friendly. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next lesson. Don't forget to subscribe.